When you say manioc stir fry, we always think how it is going to be. It's a normal preparation. No, it is not. So we will get together and prepare. You watch how it is. First thing, I have cut the manioc into small pieces. You can see into small pieces I have cut. Right? That I am going to put it into a bowl first, and either you deep fry or stir fry. Mainly I don't like too much of deep frying. So because I don't like deep frying, I am doing the stir fry. Okay, deep fry means lot of oil, and not only oil is getting wasted, but not good for health also. I have half boiled it. Okay, boil first in a little water and keep it ready. Stir fry this. Nicely stir fry this. It will take a little time to stir fry. So we will see how we are stir frying, and at the same time we have to use a little salt, and sometimes if you use a little sugar also. When it is half stir fried, you can see that slightly brownish. I am going to add the oil a little first, otherwise it will get burnt. Oil a little. Then I have so much of vegetables. We will put all the vegetables. Cauliflower, carrot, red pepper, small onions. Those first we will add. We will add the rest of the vegetables. I have got red onions, small onions first. Now I am using the big onions a little. Green chilies. And curry leaves I have to just break it up and use. Crush it or break. Mainly can see only I put a little salt for the beginning. Now I am going to put some more salt, turmeric, pepper, chili powder. Mix it well. I have used a lot of vegetables, so can see with all that stir fry nicely. Salt, pepper, chili powder, chili pieces also I am going to put a little. All this nicely cooked. Lastly, I am going to add a little milk, either coconut milk or fresh milk. If you like, you can use a little chili pieces. I have already put a little chili powder, just a little bit of chili pieces. That's enough. Mainly I wanted to do with the manioc. Manioc alone I thought it won't be nice. You can have like a manioc curry itself, or I wanted to do with jack, but I couldn't get the jack, so I thought I'll do only with the manioc. Stir fried, it's more than enough. It's a manioc stir fry with the vegetables. It's not like a curry, but it's like a tempered stir fry like. So that itself gives a better look. Now what I wanted to do is, I will use a little parsley for this. This manioc stir fry curry is very, very nice and tasty. Something different to the normal preparation. So you can use manioc in different ways, different curries you make. But this is something different to the normal preparation. Stir fry manioc, boil, stir fry, then add more vegetables and prepare it so that it's more tastier. You can have this alone with a slice of bread. It's nice. You can have it like that, more of this and a slice of bread. It's really good. So you can try it out and see how it comes, because this is the type of preparation that we need nowadays. And hopefully you will enjoy preparing this. And next week with another episode, I will see you soon. Till then, bye from me now.